can visit the monastery to light a candle. That's what I am about to do. And after this, you can proceed walking 40 minutes or about an hour. It depends on the pace of your walk. You can reach the Aleku Waterfalls, or you can just enjoy the forest. There are a lot of spots where you can sit, have a picnic, and enjoy the nature. This building over there is the Dragalevtsi Monastery. You have to walk uphill and take the route that will lead you to the Aleku Waterfalls. There are two paths here. I'm not sure which one is the correct one, but I think it's this one. So I'm going to go with it. It's a little bit scary because today is Wednesday and there are not many people walking down this path, but it should be alright. The only thing I'm concerned about is snakes. I'm really afraid of snakes, but let's hope I will not have to meet one. This place is magical. So as soon as you take the path, maybe 10 minutes of walk, and you will come across this wooden bridge. And it's a great place to sit down if you're not afraid and spend some time with yourself in this tranquility. Really приятная расходка. My initial plan was to hike to the Aleku Waterfalls, but Google Maps led me astray and I ran out of water in the summer heat. I had to turn back, but it was still a refreshing break from the city, proving that the journey can be just as valuable as the destination. Although I didn't make it this time, I have visited the Aleku Waterfalls before, and my impression is that they are really small. If you are interested in learning more about the monastery or the hike, feel free to check out my earlier video, which I will link in the upper corner. Really beautiful and unbelievable that this is so close to the bustling city.